Quadratic equation. Welcome to Math and Me. In this video we are going to solve around 5 quadratic equation. Let's start. We can solve quadratic equation 3 different method. First one, factoring. This is the very common method, factoring. Another method is square root method, which one we also say completing the square, and another famous method is quadratic formula. So one thing, if you see in question paper like this, solve the equation, it means you can use any method for solving the problem. But if mention if mention should use quadratic formula or square root method or factoring, that time you should implement specific method. But in this video we are trying to solve maximum math by factoring. Okay, let's start. First one, a x square minus 12x plus 36 equals 0. By factoring we can write x square minus 6x minus 6x plus 36 equals 0. Factoring here is means we are using middle term factor. It means 6 and 6 if we multiply we will get 36, and minus 6 and minus 6 if we summation we will get minus 12x. So here we take common x, so x minus 6, and here is minus 6, we again will get x minus 6 equal 0. So here look, we will take common 6, x minus 6, so here is x minus 6 equals 0. So x minus 6 into x minus 6, it means x minus 6 whole square equals to 0. If we both side square root, we will get here x minus 6 equals 0, and in short form we will write square root both side. Okay, now look, here is x equals to, once we exchange the part, it means minus 6 will become 6. This is the answer. So it's not tough, but look, another method we can do, second method. Here we will follow quadratic formula. We know, look, we know ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. The formula is, once we find out the x, the formula is x equal minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided 2a. Look, here is x square minus 12x plus 36 equals to 0. So in first method, it means factoring method, we get the result is 6. Now look, in quadratic formula what will happen? Here is, look, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So this is the same thing, x square, and there the coefficient is nothing. So here look, a equals to 1. Then b means this is x, so coefficient is minus 12, so b equals to minus 12, and c is a constant is a 36. Now we put the value in x, so x equals to, here is minus b means minus, and here is minus 12. Okay, then plus minus root over b square means minus 12 square. Okay, now look, minus what, 4ac, 4 is a 4, a means 1, and c means 36. 6 and whole root over, and divide 2 into a means 1. Now look, here is minus and minus plus, so here is just 12 and here is plus minus. Look, minus 12 square, it means 144, minus will become plus, and here is minus 4 into 1 into 36, 436, it means also 144, and here is 2. Now look, here is 12 and here 144 minus 144, so it will become 0. So answer is here is only 12 divided 2. If we cut this one, 12 divided 2, it means 6. So our answer is 6. Look, in factoring method we had gotten the result is 6, and here also 6. So any method you can implement, but take care about question paper which one is need. Here is nothing, so we can follow any kinds of method, either factoring, completing the square, or quadratic formula. So first one is done. Now second one, B. Here is x square plus 2x plus 3. Our target, find out the result of x by 3 method, any one. So if we try to make solution by factoring, look, by factoring we can't. Why? Look, here is 2 and here is 3, so we have to find out 2 number. Once we multiply, it will become 3, and when we add or subtract, it will become plus 2x. So look, 2 into 1, it means 2, so it's not possible to make 3. In the meantime, 3 into 1 equals to 3, and 3 minus 1 equals to 2. If we try this one, like x square plus 3x minus 1 minus 1x, minus 1 means minus x, plus 3 equals 0. Look, it's not possible because here is x into x plus 3, but here we take common minus 1, here is x minus 3. So it's not possible to get result by factoring. Okay, so what can we do? We can make this one by ax square plus bx plus 3. It means quadratic formula. So let's start. What can we do? We know the formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided 2a. Here a means 1, b means 2, c means 3. So if we put the value in here, so what we will get, look, minus b, it means minus 2, plus minus root over b square, it means 2 square, minus 4ac, 4 into a means 1, c means 3. Okay, and here 2a, it means 2 into 1. Now look, here is minus 2 plus minus root over, here is 2 square means 4, and here is 4 into 1 into 3, it means 12 divided 2. Okay, now more important and most complex thing is, here is minus 2 plus minus, here is minus 8 divided 2. Minus 8 is a complex thing, so result is complex. Okay, So we cannot get here any decimal number or any number. Here is a complex number, so is a complex number. So here is one thing, this B number is a complex. Okay, hope you understand this one. So if number become complex, that's why by factoring method we cannot get anything. Hope you understand. Now let's start about C. 5 x square minus 4x minus 2 equals 0. Let's try about factoring. Here is 5 and here is 2, so it will become 10. 10 we can write like this. Here is 2 and here is 5. So but problem is by factoring we can't solve the problem easily. So what can we do? We can implement quadratic formula or computing square method. So look, here is, if we take common 5, we will get here x square, and here is 4x divided 5, and here is minus 2 by 5 equal 0. So look, here is x square minus 4x divided 5 minus 2 divided 5 equals to 0. We can divide both sides by 5. We can write divide both sides by 5. Now look, our plan to make the solution by computing square method. So here we can write like this, our target a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square formula. So here is x square. Now look, this one is 4 by 5. So what can we do? As based on formula, we know a minus b whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square. So x square means a square, then 2ab, 2 means 2, a is x, so here is 4 by 5. So what's need minimum? Here is 2, so we can write 2 by 5. Okay, and here plus 2 by 5 whole square. Okay, now look, here is 2 by 5. We can exchange this side, so it will become 2 by 5 plus sign, and here is 2 by 5 whole square is a what? It's a extra number, so we can minus 2 by 5 whole square. So this 2 by 5 whole square minus, and here is what? 2 by 5 whole square. Look, here is 2 by 5 whole square. We should here plus, not minus, because this one and this one extra, so both sides we will add 2 by 5 whole square. Okay, now look, this one we can write, x minus 2 by 5 whole square, right? And right side, this one is 2 by 5, and here is plus 2 square means 4 and 25. Okay, Now here is x minus 2 by 5 whole square, and here LCD is 25, so 5, here is 10, and here is 4. Okay, so here is x minus 2 divided 5 whole square, and here is 14 divided 25. So if we take a square root both sides, we will get here is x minus 2 by 5, and here is plus minus root over 14 divided 25. Okay, now look, what will be the answer? So here is x equals plus minus root over 14 divided 25 plus 2 by 5. Now look, what will be the answer? Here x is, if this one we take plus sign, so plus 14 divided 5, because 25 root means 5, and here is 2 by 5, so result is plus what, 1.15. You can use calculator, or look, or x is minus root over 14 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Here answer will be minus 0.35. So here is two answer, one is 1.15 and another one is minus 0.35. Look, this one we didn't solve by factoring. We are using what? We are using computing square method. Okay, so this is the another formula. Hope you understand this one. So this completing the square method is completing square. Okay, why we are saying this one completing square? Because this side we get square. Okay, hope you understand this one. So our A, B, C done. Now we will do D and E. D, here is x square minus 11x minus 26 equals 0. This one we can solve very easily by factoring, because here is 26 we can write 2. If we divide 26 by 2, we will get 13. So 13 minus 2 is 11, and 13 into 2 is 26. So we can write here x square minus 13x plus 2x minus 26 equals 0. So here is, we will take on x, so x minus 13, and here is plus 2, so we will get here x minus 13 equals what, 0. So we will take common x minus 13, and here is x plus 2 equals to 0. So if x minus 13 equals to 0, so answer is x equals to 13. Or if x plus 2 equals to 0, so answer is what, x is minus 2. So one is 13, another one is minus 2. So we are solving this problem by factoring. So last one, this video number E. Let's start. Here is 3x square minus 4x plus 7 equals 0. So first we will try by factoring. here is 3 and 7, so 21. 3 divided 3 into 7, it means what? 21. So we can write like this: 3x square minus 7x plus 3x plus 7 equals to 0. But look, here is minus 7 and here is plus 3x. It's true it will become minus 4x, but we cannot do it by factoring. Why? If we take common, here is x, we will get 3x minus 7, but here is plus 1 common, so 3x plus 7. So it will not possible, not possible. So we will try to find out the solution by quadratic formula. So we know ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So x is minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided 2a. So here a means what? A means 3. Okay, a means 3, b means minus 4, and c is what? Plus 7, plus 7. So if we put this value in this method, in this formula, we will get x equals to, here is minus b, we can write minus b means minus 4. Okay, and then plus minus root over b square. B square means minus 4 square, and here is minus 4 into a means what? 3, and c means 7. Okay, divided 2 into a means 3. So we can write here minus minus plus, so 4 plus minus, and here is minus 4 square means 16, and here is 7 into 3 means 21. 21 into 4, it means 84, minus 84, and here is 2 times 3, it means 6. So look, here is 4 plus minus root over, and here 84 minus 16 is minus 68. Look, minus 68. Minus 68 divided 6. Look, this one is complex number, so x is complex. Okay, hope you understand this one. This one we cannot solve by, actually we solve because the answer is 4 plus minus root over minus 68 by 6. This is the answer, but this one is a complex number. We should mention this is a complex number. So thank you very much for being with me. By this video we are trying to make solution some quadratic equation. Thank you. Don't forget, subscribe the channel.